We've got a Hyundai Getz 2007. We're going to go ahead and do an engine oil and filter change. So we'll start by raising the vehicle up and get underneath and locate the engine oil filter and the sump plug. We're under the vehicle now. Here we have the engine oil sump plug located, and around just in front of it is the engine oil filter, just up in there. So we're going to go ahead and remove this splash tray. There's a 10mm bolt there and 3 more 10mm bolts up above it. So we'll go ahead and remove that, and then that will give us enough clearance to get the oil filter out so we don't drop oil all over the tray. 1, 2. Now we can access the oil filter. So you'll need a 17mm spanner. Go ahead and loosen the sump plug. Now we'll leave that to drain for 10 minutes and we'll go ahead and remove the oil filter. Now an oil filter claw tool. Just go ahead and loosen the oil filter. Unscrew our oil filter. And then we'll get some degreaser to clean that down with. So just clean off that oil filter housing. So we've got a new oil filter to go on to a clean surface. Leave that to drip dry. Here we've got a sump plug. Just remove the old sump plug washer. It's crushed. And fit it with a new sump plug washer. Ready to go back in the car. We've got our new oil filter. We're just going to run some oil around the oil filter O-ring so that when we fit it on our new housing that's been just cleaned up, it won't bind up at all. Now we can refit our sump plug. We can refit our splash tray now. We can bring the car down and fill it with fresh oil. So remove the oil cap. I'm going to fill up the engine with about 3.5 litres 10W30 engine oil. Then we'll check the level on the dipstick. We've got 3.5 litres in the engine now. And we're just under the full mark on the dipstick. So we'll go ahead and start the engine and recheck our oil level. So we're going to go ahead and start the engine now. Just pay attention on startup to the engine oil light. Make sure that goes out within 5 to 10 seconds. That will be letting you know that you've built up oil pressure and that we've got good oil flow around the engine. So there we go. There we go, oil light's gone out. We've primed the oil filter, so we can turn it back off and go and check our oil level. So we've left the engine to sit for a couple of minutes for the oil level to settle. Now it's halfway on the stick, so we'll fill another half a litre and that should bring us up to the full mark at roughly 4 litres in the sump. There we go, we're spot on the full mark now. We've topped it up, that half a litre, 4 litres in total. We're all done.